Good morning, my dear students. Today I will start class 2 maths, subtraction with carrying number. What is carrying number? And how to subtract with the carrying number. At first, we should subtract, suppose like this, 97, 35. We should subtract 5 from 7, 2 and 6 here. Okay? But here is 2. Subtract the 7 from 2. Is it possible? It can't possible. We cannot possible. This cannot possible to 7 subtract from 2. That's why because this 2 is less than 7. If the 2 is greater than 7, on that time we should subtract the numbers easily. But when the subtraction numbers 37 or 7 is greater than 2 or the 2 is less than 7, that means we should subtract 7 from 2. Is not possible. That's why we should taking 2 as 12. In this time we should subtract 7 from 12. After 7, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 5 here. So we should write here 5. After that, we should take in 1. That means it is 8 because 1 is left. 8 minus 3, that is 5 also. Okay? We should go the next. Subtract 6 from 5. Is not possible. On that time, we should take in 5 as 15. In this time, we should subtract 6 from 15. That is 9. So we should write here 9. After that, this one is 2. Is it possible? 2 subtract from 7 subtract from 2 because 2 is less than 7. That times we should take in 2 as 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5. We should take in 1, that's time it is 4. We should subtract 1 from 4, that is 2, 3, 4. 3 is in here. So we should write here 359. After that we should go the next. 6 subtract from 5. Is it possible? Not. That's why we should take in 15 as 5. 5 as 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. So we should write here 5. Is it possible? 7 subtract from 5? Not. Because 7 is less than 5 is less than 7. On that time we should take in 15. 5 as 15. 15 minus 7, that is 8. After that we should go the next. This one. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 subtract, it is possible. Subtract 3 from 2? Not, because 2 is less than 3. That's why we should take in 12 as a 2. 12 minus 3, that is 9. We should write here 9. After that we should go the next. 8 minus 1, that is 7. 7 minus 6, that is 1. Okay? This is all about subtraction with carrying number. I will tell it again. How to subtraction with carrying number. If the smallest number, if you should subtract the biggest number from smallest number, on that time you should take in 2 as 12, 3 as 13, 4 as 14, 5 as 15, like this. Okay? 1 is also 11. Right over here 2. It is not possible to subtract 7 from 2. That's why we should take in 2 as 12. 12 minus 7, is it possible? It is possible. So we should subtract 7 from 12, it is 5. After that we should go the next. 1 is taking here. That's why it is 8. 9 minus 1, that is 8. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3, that is 5. After that we should go the next. Right over here 5. Not possible to subtract 6 from 5. Not possible. That's why we are taking 5 as 15. 15 minus 6. It is possible. Yes, it is possible. That's why we should subtract 6 from 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. After that we should go the next. 1 is taking from here. So we should subtract 1 from here. 3 minus 1, that is 2. And we should subtract 7 from 2. Is it possible? Not. That's why we should taking 2 as 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5. After that we should go the next. We are taking 1 from here. That's why it is 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 subtract 1, it is 3. Okay. After that we should go the 4-digit number subtraction. It is 5. Is it possible 5 subtract from 6 subtract from 5? Not, because 5 is smaller than 6. That's time we should taking 15. On that time, if we taking 5 as 15, on that time we should subtract 6 from 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. After that we should go the next. We are taking here, taking from here 1. That's why it is 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 minus 7, is it possible? Not. Yes, because 5 is, one more time 5 is less than 7. On that time we should taking 5 as 15. 15 minus 7, that is 8. After that we should go the next. We should taking 5 and 1 taking from here. So that, or that's why we should taking 3 minus 1, that is 2. We should subtract 3 from 2. Is it possible? Not. Yes. On that time we should taking 2 as 12. 12 minus 3, is it possible? 12 minus 3 is it? It is 9 here. After that we should go the next. We should taking 1 from here. So 8 minus 1, that is 7. 7 minus 6, that is 1. So that's the result here. Okay. This one the subtraction with carrying number. On which time in the questions we have solved the problem with the subtraction. Keep in your mind and don't forget it. When you should subtraction in question. Keep in mind or don't forget it. When we should subtract. If it is how many left, number 1, number 2 times, yes, left greater than number 3 smaller, number 4 difference. Find out the difference between. On that time you should find out the difference by subtraction. And how many more, how many less, take away. Away 6. How many more? Okay, take away, that means we should subtract the number. How many more, how many left, the same, greater, smaller, different, take away, how many more, etc. Okay, how many less, also the same, how many less. All of this time we should subtract the numbers. so many remove, so many examples over here. The population of a joint family is 72. If there are 42 males, then find out the number of females in the family. That means you should find out how many numbers. The males are 42, joint family 42 members are there in the, on that family 72 members in total, male and female. If male is 42, we should subtract the number and find out the female members number. Okay. Okay, then Tina wants to buy a video game with cost 450. She has said 250. How many more or how much more money does she need to save? How much more? How many more or how much more? That means you should subtract the number. How many more points did my team score? How many more? That means also you should subtract the number. How many students are still in the cafeteria? That means how many students left? That means also the same, how many left. So you should subtract the numbers, this number from this number, or bigger number to smaller number. Okay. So that's why here also is an example. Arvind saw 78 mangoes in the basket. He picked up from the basket 33 of them. Suppose here bucket is in our basket is in here, 78 mangoes are there. Okay, he picked up how many mangoes? 33 mangoes picked up. How many left to the basket? So you should subtract the number. Okay, 43 are the left to the basket. That means you should subtract when it is how many were left. You should subtract it. How many got hamburgers? I will show you addition with carrying number. Addition with carrying number. How to addition with carrying number? Suppose it is 7392. Ones place, it was tens place. 100 tens ones place. 5, 6, 7, 9, 4, 2. Right over here. Addition. 9 plus 3, that is 12. So we should write here 12. We should write 2 is in here and 1 carries in the next left. Okay. At first 7 plus 1, that is 8. 8 plus 2, that is 10. Like this. Okay. You should carrying the number in the next left. If it is more than 9, if the addition of the numbers more than 9, we should carrying the number after next or next left. 9 plus 5, that is 14. So we should write here 4. 14. 4 is in here and 1 goes in the next left. So we should adding the 1 in the next left. 4 plus 6, that is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So we should write 11. 1 is in here and this one goes to the next left. That means 7 plus 3, that is 10. Okay, do you understand? If it is more than 9, if the addition of the numbers or digit more than 9, we should write here the ones place at the number and the carrying number goes to the next left and addition with these numbers. Okay, and this is your homework. 1073 9997. Let's do it. These are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Okay. So many examples over here. So you should addition the numbers. These are your homework. Okay. I will give you homework to the next class. For your homework, is next. This one already crossed, so you should do this because it is with the carrying number. So you should do this. Okay, do you know how to subtraction with carrying numbers and how to addition with carrying numbers? Okay, all about today's class. Thank you so much.